Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to create a Telegram channel. But if you are new here, please don't forget to like the video and also don't forget to smash that subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell. So right now, let's dive into the video. So first thing first, you need to actually install the Telegram app on your phone. You could actually download this Telegram app on the Google Play Store or on the iOS Store. So basically, once you're done installing the app on your phone, this is how the app is going to look like. So all you just need to do is just click on it. So once you click on it right here, it's going to take you straight to your Telegram app. And again, you need to make sure you already created an account on Telegram for you to be able to open a Telegram channel. So once you already open the app right here, so all you need to do is just click on this menu button right here at the down corner right here. So it's kind of like a pencil arrow, so just click on it. So once you actually click on it, it's going to take you straight to this page. So you're going to see this option to create a Telegram channel. Just click on create new channel right here. So once you click on create new channel, so all you need to do is just like type in the name of the Telegram channel. So I'm going to be typing it tips right here. So this is just as an example. So once you're done with that, just click on next right here. So once you click on next right here, it's going to take you to this page where it's going to ask you to actually put in your Telegram name. So you can just put in any random name. So I'm just going to be like putting in any random name. So let me just see if the name is available. So after you're done putting in your Telegram channel name, so all you need to do is just click on this tick button right here. So once you click on it right here, your channel is gonna be created successfully. But before that, you need to actually add at least 1 or 2 members for you to be able to like create your Telegram channel. So basically you could actually just add any of your friends to your Telegram channel. So I'm just going to be picking a random person right here and I'm going to be adding them to the Telegram channel. So once you are done with that right here, you could see right here that your Telegram channel has been created successfully. So guys, that is how you could actually create a Telegram channel, and I hope you found this video helpful. So if you know you did, please don't forget to give the video a like and don't forget to smash that subscribe button.